Chasing Waterfall hike. You start here, you follow the green line down, and this is where we're ending at the bottom. So when leaving the cruise terminal, across the street, this is the town, the whole town. There's 640 people that live here. The center of town is the blue church. You can see the steeple sticking up. That is our destination. There are 2 shops, 2 bars, Rainbow Road, and the church. That is the main attraction into town. Most of the other things are hikes and excursions outside of here. If you came here and just looked into the hill, you would have no idea all those waterfalls are there. We highly recommend taking the Chasing Waterfall expedition. And this is the Rainbow Road. There are a few shops, some very decorative buildings. The church was behind us. It's about 5-minute walk from the ship. Ship's right there. The architecture is amazing. Look at that organ. And it's blue on the inside and out. You can smell the cedar.
So as we pass these trees and this big sign on the right hand side, if you look to the right, you'll see a small white house with a red roof. Not significant, that's my house.
This is the SEYDISFJORDUR Chasing Waterfall hike.
That waterfall.
You cross several of these makeshift wood bridges to get you through some of the mud. At the first waterfall, there was a split option. 5 of us decided to go up higher to the highest trek. Everybody else went on the shorter trek down to the bottom of the waterfall. Following the trail on the way back, there are these markers. They're every so often. Follow the green and yellow markers. Now we go down to the bottom of the waterfall, hopefully into that canyon where you can see all 5 of them.
Look at that.
Rocks rain from the sky. And it's how it arrived. And here there was about an inch layer. And near the volcano it was over a foot. Made it totally unworkable and uninhabitable. And that started the biggest exodus ever from Iceland. Thousands of people moved to Canada. And this is one of the places they could catch a ship there.
And how far away was it?
About 300 kilometers away.
Wow.
1874.
1874. And anywhere you dig, you will get down to this layer. That's how you can date it. But because this has been washed out, it's come down to that layer.
Yeah. It's beautiful in that part and going down.
So what he said? No, they're feathers. Or are they cotton? Look at that. It's so soft. I bet they use this and
The down pillow that exploded.
Right?
yeah. And I bet
And the bus is here waiting for you at the bottom. You don't have to walk back to the front. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Please hit that like, subscribe button. This is the port stop in SEYDISFJORDUR, Iceland. SEYDISFJORDUR.
we're going to do bloopers for all the names that we have butchered. So, see you then.